Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 2, polynomials. The name polynomials means poly means many, nomials means term. In polynomials there are three types. First is linear polynomial, second is quadratic polynomial, third is cubic polynomial. So in this chapter we are going to study all these three polynomials. Number 1 is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, a polynomial of a degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial equations are 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5, ax plus b and many more. The power of variables should be 1, or we can say degree of variable should be 1. Now the term degree means highest power in this variable. Like 2x minus 3, the highest power of which we can take is 1. If the x is not having any power to it, then it means the power is 1. As we have understood the linear polynomial, let us see the graph of it and understand how it can be. The linear polynomial graph will be always in a straight line, like this or like this. Now we are going to study about quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of a degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. The name quadratic has been derived from the word quadrate, which means square. Square. So by square we can understand it means 2. So the degree is 2. Now we'll see some examples. For example, we have ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose this is equation. In this equation, we have some coefficients. What are the coefficients? If you see this example, we get a and b as coefficients, and c is alone, it is called as constant. And the variables means this 2 and this bx is not having any variable, so we can take it as 1. This is called variables. In this variables, the highest variable is 2, so the highest power of the degree is 2. So it means quadratic polynomial degree is 2. If you see the graph of quadratic polynomial, it can be this, this, this or like this. Now we will move to the last topic, which is cubic polynomial. Cubic means cube. The definition of cubic polynomial is a polynomial of a degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Now we understand with the degree 3 we can understand it is going to be clear more. For example, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If this is the equation which we have, we can understand the coefficient, we can understand the constant, we can understand the variables. Now let us figure what are coefficient, which are the constant and what are the variables. In the above equation, the a, b and c, this will be the coefficients. Okay, this d is alone, so this can be called as constant. And now we have variable as 3, 2 and cx is not having any variable, so we take it as 1. So we have constant variables like 3, 2, 1, which is the highest 3. 3, the highest power is 3. You can say that the degree is 3, right? So this is nothing but cubic polynomials. If you see the graph of cubic polynomials, it is always derived like this, zigzag. This can be defined in this types.